Hey folks, are you tired of searching for the best nicotine patches? Look no further. We've got the top 5 patches that are so good that they might just stick with you for a while. Are you ready to patch up your cravings and embark on a smoke-free journey? Let's dive into our list and find out which one gives you that perfect patch of comfort. And remember, for more information on these life-changing products, please use the links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which nicotine patch is your MVP, most valuable patch. Number 5. Habitrol Nicotine Transdermal System. The Habitrol Nicotine Transdermal System has emerged as a beacon of hope for those striving to climb the uphill battle against nicotine addiction. Imagine wanting to quit smoking but still craving the familiar embrace of nicotine. Enter Habitrol, like a superhero but without the cape or the spandex, thankfully. Let's talk about the pros. The Habitrol system is like having a nicotine guardian angel. It carefully delivers just the right amount of nicotine, ensuring you're not left twitching for a cigarette. This steady supply means you can wave goodbye to those jarring mood swings commonly linked to withdrawal. Its ease of use is comparable to putting on a sticker, but instead of a gold star, you get freedom from tobacco. Another stellar point is that it works in the shadows, silently helping you combat addiction 24 hours a day. Sleep, wake, repeat, and let Habitrol do the heavy lifting. Let's talk about the cons. Itchiness. On the downside, while it sticks to the mission of helping you quit smoking, it might occasionally unstick from your skin. Maybe it's playing hard to get. Price increase. A few users have reported a dramatic price increase, making it feel like their wallets too are experiencing withdrawal symptoms. All in all, the Habitrol Nicotine Transdermal System is a commendable tool in the arsenal against smoking. Sure, it has its quirks, but so does that one aunt who gifts you socks every birthday, and you still love her, right? Number 4. NicoDerm Nicotine Patches. Who knew quitting could be so sticky? And I don't just mean the adhesive side of these patches. The NicoDerm Nicotine Patches are like that frugal friend who always finds the best deals, affordable yet effective. Unlike that friend, though, these patches won't tell you how much they saved, again and again. Let's check out the pros. Effectiveness. If you've been thinking of breaking up with cigarettes, NicoDerm patches might just be the supportive friend you need to make the split. They've helped many take significant strides in kicking the habit. Consistency. The release of nicotine is smooth, almost like listening to elevator music. It doesn't let you down, ensuring you don't get those pesky withdrawal crankies. Weather resistance. Come rain, sunshine, or 90-degree summer heat, these patches stick around. They won't ghost you even if you break into a sweat. Now to the cons. Skin reactions. Some folks might find their skin turning a shade of, "I don't like this patch," experiencing mild itchiness or redness. It's the patch's way of saying, "I like you too much." Temperature sensitivity. While they stick well, in extreme heat, think 90+ degrees with high humidity, they might need a pep talk to stay put. All in all, if you're on a budget and trying to say goodbye to your nicotine cravings, NicoDerm patches could be your go-to wingman. They stick by you, literally, and help in making the journey a tad bit easier. Just be ready for the occasional clinginess. Number 3. Aroamas Nicotine Patches. Aroamas Nicotine Patches, the little squares that have your back, or rather your arm, when you're trying to kick that pesky smoking habit to the curb. These patches aren't just your ordinary nicotine replacements. They're like the superheroes of the quit smoking world, with an added twist. Let's see some of its pros. Super sticker power. First off, these patches cling on like a koala to a eucalyptus tree. Come rain or sweat, they're not going anywhere. Crave buster. Aroamas does a stellar job of fending off those menacing nicotine cravings. It's like having a mini security guard warding off any unwanted tobacco thoughts. Menthol. Magic. Now here's the kicker. The Aroamas patches contain a hint of menthol. It's a breath of fresh air, literally. This unique feature sets it apart from other patches in the market and gives users a cool, soothing sensation. It's like getting a mini spa treatment for your skin while also saying no to cigarettes. On the other side, be aware of its cons. Fashion faux pas. Let's face it, wearing a patch won't land you on the cover of Vogue anytime soon. But hey, At least you're not carrying around that cigarette smell, right? Itchy business. A few folks might find a little itch or tingle at the application site. It's the patch's way of reminding you it's there, working its magic. Think of it as a tiny cheerleader cheering you on your path to a smoke-free life. In conclusion, the Aroamas Nicotine Patches are not just a tool, but a game changer. With the added menthol twist, it differentiates itself from the rest, ensuring that quitting is not just a necessity, but a cool experience. So, if you're thinking about quitting, give these patches a try. Who knows? It might just be the patch you need in your life. And if someone asks about the stylish square on your arm, just wink and say, "It's designer." Number 2. Rite Aid Nicotine Patches. When it comes to the universe of nicotine patches, the Rite Aid Nicotine Patches claim their starry spot as the best runner-up on our esteemed list. And let me tell you, it's for a handful of solid reasons, peppered with just a dash of, well, nicotine. Now to the pros. Effective. These patches don't just look pretty on your arm, they work their magic to curb those cravings. Before you know it, that pesky cigarette will taste like you're puffing on an old gym sock, but not that I've tried it. Easy application. Slapping this on is easier than putting mustard on a hot dog, and it's definitely less messy. Consistent. Consistency is key when you're looking to kick a habit. With these patches, each day feels smoother, making the journey to a nicotine-free life a more enjoyable ride. Some cons to watch out for. Adhesiveness. While most of the patches stick like a clingy X, some might have commitment issues. Make sure your skin is clean and dry to give it the best shot at sticking around. 24-hour cycle. Remember, it's not Cinderella's slipper. Don't expect it to disappear after 24 hours, you'll need to change it out. All in all, if you're looking for a trusty sidekick in your battle against nicotine, Rite Aid's patches are the Robin to your Batman. But remember, Batman sometimes had to put Robin in place. Number 1. NicoDerm Nicotine Patches. If you've been searching for that guardian angel to help you kick those nicotine cravings to the curb, then boy do I have a patch-tastic solution for you. Introducing the NicoDerm Nicotine Patches. Hands down the best product in the market. And believe me, it's not just a patchy claim. The pros of using these patches. Effectiveness. NicoDerm doesn't just promise results, it delivers them. From the moment you stick it on, you'll feel like you've gained a little sidekick in your battle against the smoke monster. Discreet. Want to keep your quitting journey on the down low? This patch has got your back. Its clear design makes it easy to wear without anyone noticing. It's like your little secret superhero badge. Gradual release. It's not about going cold turkey, it's about easing out of the nicotine realm. NicoDerm ensures a steady release, making the transition smoother than a jazz tune. Now to the cons. Initial itch. A few users have mentioned a slight itch upon application. But hey, every superhero has their kryptonite, right? Think of it as a little tickle from the patch saying, "I'm here and I'm working." One size approach. While it's great for most, some users wished for varied sizes. But remember, it's not the size of the patch, but the willpower that counts. In conclusion, if you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky cigarettes, NicoDerm Nicotine Patches are your best bet. They're like that best friend who's always there to give you a pep talk when the going gets tough. So, ready to embark on a clearer, smoke-free future? Let's patch things up with NicoDerm. All right, folks, that wraps up our journey through the world of nicotine patches. If any of these patches stick out to you, pun intended, drop your top pick down in the comments. Is it the one that promises the stickiest experience, or perhaps the patch that doubles as a temporary tattoo? Remember, quitting is hard, but picking your favorite patch shouldn't be. Tell us which one you'd slap on in a heartbeat, and I'll be scrolling through and checking all your answers. Before you vanish in a puff of smoke, don't forget to smash that like button harder than your cravings. Subscribe for more riveting patch content, and ring that bell. So you don't miss any updates. Not because it's quitting time or anything. Stay strong and see you in the next video.